Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing your July read. Let's see what energies are flowing towards my Libra in the month of July and how you can use this reading to have a beautiful month ahead. And these are general collective readings, Libra, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Libra, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Libra, if you're new here, we welcome you also to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right. Oh, lovely card for July, Libra. You needed this after what you're going through right now, from what I see. Okay. And the secret message for you is here. And yes, there's a lot of need to bring balance and harmony back in your life. Overall energy is healing. The Temperance card is here for you, Libra. I think you need to spend some time and just kind of realign or heal or bring back some kind of peace and harmony back in your life, because I do see you feeling very, very burdened here. I don't know what you're burdened about. Could be work, could be a relationship, I don't know. But yes, in the past I think things were going pretty good for you, but right now you feel all the pressure of the world is upon your shoulders. But it's not going to be for long, Libra, because I have a fantastic card which is opened up for you for July, which I'll tell you, don't worry. Let's clarify these two cards and then we'll move on to the July energies. 10 of Wands spirit, why is my Libra going through so much of burden? 10 of Wands. You. This could be an offer that you're expecting or you want to take. This could be a work offer, could be a love offer. It is a Knight of Cups and a choice that has to be made. And that is becoming a burden to you for some reason. Why is that, Spirit? Why is that? Because maybe you're feeling, I don't know, whatever this burden is of this choice that has to be made, either given or taken, Libra is stressing you out to the point that you're almost feeling depressed. Okay, almost feeling unwell. And if you are, any of my Libras are feeling this way, please right now get out of it, because the July energy is going to be super fantastic. Okay, I'll tell you, because I can't deal with this energy anymore. The 10 of Cups is approaching. This is that full emotional happiness which is waiting for you in July. 10 of Cups is like emotional happiness forever and ever after, having everything that you've always desired. So whatever this offer is, don't think too much about it, Libra. Take it, give it, whatever, I don't know, because this overthinking, this burden is only going to, kind of make you almost unwell, I would say. One more, Spirit, for the current energy. Yes, you're feeling you lost a partnership and you're trying to heal from that, Libra. You feel there was a good partnership which was on the table, and this could be again work related, love related, and you're trying to find some way how to now rectify what has been broken, and that is becoming a burden to you because you don't know how to do it. And the more you're thinking about it, the more pressure there is on you. It's kind of bogging you down from what I see. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for Libra? The Wheel of Fortune was there. Things were moving along pretty well, Libra, from what I see. Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune, yes. The things were totally clear cut in your mind. You knew where you were going. There was no confusion. You knew exactly what you wanted, how you wanted it, and then something stopped. Something came to a halt. Something that you were very confident about, I would say. The Wheel of Fortune, the King of Swords, everything was going in your favor. You felt you were riding the wave here, and then there was a stoppage. One more, Spirit, for their past energy, Libra. Past energy of Libra. Something that stalled you, stopped you from moving ahead. Some news, something happened here, Libra, where you felt that all this forward movement that you were making, it came to a halt. Yes, an offer that, or something, some offer that either you did not give or you did not receive, and that one thing, everything else was going well, that one thing made you either feel totally lost, made you feel as if you were on the outside, made you feel as if you were feeling abandoned and lost, depressed and sad. And now this has become a big burden for you, because now you feel you've lost that one thing that you really, really wanted, and you don't know what to do. You're trying to figure out how to heal. How to heal now. So before I move on to the July energies, Libra, I'm going to now first start with the Ganesha Oracle card. Let's see how Lord Ganesha is going to bless your July, and then we'll figure out your other cards. So Lord Ganesha, what do you have for my Libra gang? Blessing, protection. You're protected. Libra, you're totally protected. Your angels are surrounding you right now. So don't worry too much. Maybe you're not feeling well. This card sometimes signifies feeling unwell or sick or something. So if something like that is happening, Libra, and that's kind of bogging you down, please don't worry. You're going to be fine because you have protection around you. And I do see this protection coming in July. Here you are, 10 of Cups, once again, very, very happy. So let's see, let's clarify these cards. So what's coming up for Libra in July, Spirit? What's this 10 of Cups? 10 of Cups. 10 of Cups. What's this 10 of Cups for Libra? Something that you want to come back to, a state of mind maybe. There is something which troubles you. Maybe you're very afraid of people talking or gossiping. Maybe you're trying to pretend about something. In July also I see you a bit overthinking, stressed out a little bit, only because of the lack of courage, or again this could be your health again, strength in reverse. Maybe you're worried about instability, and you feel the only way you can regain this happiness back in your life, if you could backtrack something, like you want to return back to something. What is the Spirit for Libra? Yes, you're trying very hard to you're trying very hard now to start a brand new, stable new beginning. You're trying very hard now to, move on to something new. Whatever didn't work out, whatever your fears were, whatever your anxieties were, I think they're going to be dropped in July. Something which stalled, which, maybe you got some bad news or something, you're overcoming that, you're overcoming this devil energy, and I do see something which made you feel bad, maybe some news, maybe some person, maybe a job that didn't work out. I do see in July you regaining that stability, that 10 of Cups feeling, where you start feeling better if you've been unwell, or whatever didn't make you feel good. I don't know what this is for you, Libra. There's so many of you out there. Everybody will have a different story. Maybe somebody could be in a love, thing, or somebody could be worried about their health. Somebody could be worried about their work. So something, some fear is going to be dropped. Whatever was not moving forward, whatever bad news or whatever you got in the past, that's all going to be changing, because something new, stable, and very grounded is going to be offered to you. Or maybe this is news again, okay, of something solid. And this is going to put you back into feeling happy. See, the 3 of Cups is here as well. This is celebration. So, what should Libra hold on to, Spirit? The Hierophant. I think spirituality will be a very big thing, Libra. Oh, you see, celebrations are coming in. Hold on to this feeling that positive vibrations, positive thinking, being, happy all the time is really going to pull in all the powers of the universe. You are protected. You have the universe's backing here. Okay, so please don't be suspicious, please don't have doubts, please don't feel bitter or upset about whatever this was in the past, because spirituality, your healing is coming, protection is already there. So what's this Three of Cups, Spirit? Three of Cups. Yes, it's going to put you back into a forward trajectory here. But Libra, if you've been too rash in the past, or if you've been, for some Libras out there, I would even see it as over partying or over indulging. Some of you could be drinking. It's time to let go of anything. Drinking coffee, for all I know, it's anything that you've been doing excess of, anything that you've been feeling, this makes me happy, so I'm going to do it, and not caring about the consequences. Just be a little mindful of rash behavior. That's all that Spirit wants you to let go of being impulsive to do things which make you happy in the moment, which are not going to serve you for your highest good. Okay, so what's going to be Libra's blockage? The Emperor. Yes, wanting to have it your way all the time, Libra. That could become a blockage, because that would mean you, again, this comes back to that indulgence, right? I'm going to do it my way. I'm the boss. I'm not going to allow anybody else to direct me or follow rules. That would be a wrong investment at this point in July, Libra. Just be a little mindful that you don't waste time, energy, and effort being a bit stubborn. Normally the Emperor is a good card, and it is in the upright, but in this kind of a combination, I do see it as somebody being a little defiant. So that can become a blockage. Be mindful of that. So how do people see my Libra now in the month of July? They see you as the Six of Pentacles. Why is that? Why do people see my Libra as the Six of Pentacles, Spirit? Turning your back on any confusion. They also see that you are working very hard to restore balance in something which got disrupted in the recent past. This again could be something solid for you. This could be health that you're working on. This could be a home that something went wrong with it. This could be work that you got destabilized with. People see you that you're putting in a lot of effort, and you have started now to receive the blessings for it as well. You are no longer in confusion. You are very focused. And what else, Spirit? How else? Oh, all right. Yes, people do see that now Libra is on the right track. Growth and forward movement and abundance is now being restored. You're going back to feeling like abundance is returning back to your life. Maybe your health is improving. Maybe, you are being put on a pedestal now because you are now taking care of yourself. This card, the Empress card, is usually health, wealth, happiness, and sitting on your throne and, looking forward to the future. So whatever you've been doing is that's how people at least see you, that you're no longer confused and you are making steady and stable progress forward. Slow but steady. So Spirit, what's your secret message for Libra now? The Tower. Why is that a secret message, Spirit? Why is the Tower here for Libra? What's it going to bring Libra now? All All right. See, Libra, that's what I was trying to tell you. That's what Spirit is trying to tell you as well. The Tower is here because you're going to have a change of a big change coming into your life. Maybe this is the change within you as to how you lead your life. Whatever is built on unstable foundation usually has to erupt so that it can clear the air for something new to begin. What Spirit is saying, a big change is required, Libra, in your life now. If you have been a bit stubborn or trying to control the outcome, of certain things, you will have to now kind of allow this exchange of energy, or what you've been trying to kind of say, I, I'm going to do it my way. I think it's time now to kind of put down your defenses. It's time now, this month, it's going to be a very good idea to work with others. Collaborations are going to be very good for you, even if it's in work, right? Or if you're unwell, then go meet a doctor. And if it's love, then don't have to fight off your love partner, and allow equal give and take. So Spirit's saying this is now the time that things are going to change for you, where you should now not be so much in trying to control everything, and because that's going to lead to an imbalance. It's time now to start being compromises, I think, the name of the game for you in July, Libra. You are protected, don't worry, you don't have to do everything by yourself, and whatever has hurt you, and right now I see you in two minds. Should I allow it, should I not, right? How do I restore back balance? But the key of a successful month of July will be working in collaboration with others. That's going to bring balance and harmony back. You may be tending to be a little, like, I can do it myself, or I don't need anyone else in my life, or anything else for Libra, Spirit? Anything else for Libra? Yes, see? The Chariot awaits you after that. The minute I think the only thing blocking you right now is a bit of stubborn energy, Libra. The minute you put down that guard and you start accepting others to be with you or around you or help you with whatever struggle you're going through here, you're going to start moving ahead, and victory is yours. So that's all I have for you, Libra. Take care. Love and light. Namaste.